Before radar, before jets, one sound ruled the sky. The scream of the Stuka dive bomber.
Designed in the 1930s, it could dive steeply and strike with deadly precision.
Its screaming siren, the Jericho Trumpet, was built to terrorize those below. In Poland and France, it became the face of Blitzkrieg, speed, precision, and terror. But against modern fighters and flak, its slow speed turned it from hunter to target. By 1943, its era had ended, but its scream would haunt the memory of war forever. This was the Stuka. Subscribe for more untold histories.